Hello everyone, this is Ms. Smith, and the purpose of this video is to discuss research paper thesis statements. Now there is a very specific formula that I want you to use for your research paper thesis statement, okay, your argumentative research essay. I want you to use a very specific formula for your thesis statement. So I will give you the formula in this video, and I want you to apply it to the topic you're choosing for your essay, okay? Of course, there's more than one way to construct a strong thesis statement, but this formula that I will give you is probably the best way that I've found, and it makes it simple and easy for the student as well. Okay, you need a strong thesis statement, of course, because that's going to be key to the whole argument you're making. You need for your reader to understand your position, and you need for your reader to understand your three strongest reasons, right? Your three most credible evidence for why the position that you're taking is the best position. So again, remember, you're trying to persuade your audience with this essay, and a good thesis statement is at the heart of that, okay? So this formula will make your lives so much easier. So let's look at the formula. It's going to look a little odd at first, right? When we think formulas, we don't usually think in English class is where we would have a formula, but this will work for us if we use it, okay? And so this is the formula. X is or is not Y because supporting point 1, supporting point 2, and supporting point 3. Okay? You probably want to write this down. Okay? X is or is not Y because supporting point 1, supporting point 2, and supporting point 3. Every thesis statement that I receive from students in this class for this argumentative assignment must follow this thesis statement formula. So let me show you what it means. Okay, so in this formula, X is your research topic. Y is your claim. It's the argument you're trying to make. And then you have your three strongest, best developed reasons for your supporting points. Okay, X is your research topic. Y is your claim, and then you have your three strongest, best developed reasons that you can make using academic research to reinforce your claim. And so if we look at an example, now remember before we were talking in the other video, we were talking about arguable topics, and I told you that cancer is bad. It's not an arguable topic, right? But I told you that if we said alternative medicine is a better way to treat cancer, then that is a good arguable topic. So let's kind of continue with that example for a thesis statement. Okay? Let's say, for example, the ultimate goal is to make the claim that alternative medicine is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer. Let's say you find the following three reasons. Okay? Three strong reasons. Let's say these are your three reasons. Alternative medicine works faster. Alternative medicine is less painful. Alternative medicine has less side effects. Let's say these are the three main reasons, your strongest, best developed reasons that you find as a result of your research. So based on the thesis statement formula, you can construct the following thesis statement. Alternative medicine, that's your X, right, your topic, is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer, that's your Y, the claim that you're making, the argument you're making, because point 1, alternative medicine works faster, point 2 is less painful, and has less side effects. Okay? And so, again, we can apply the thesis statement formula, right? Because what we're doing is we're putting in our topic, our X, right, is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer. That's your Y, your claim, because points 1, points 2, and points 3. Okay? I want you to use this formula for your topic. So you should be able to start your sentence with your topic, whatever it is, okay? And then you should be able to make your claim, and depending on how you're presenting your argument, it may be is, that's your verb, is not, could be used depending on how your sentence is structured. Are, you might need to use the verb are instead of is. You just have to make sure that the subject-verb agreement is correct. But you should have your topic beginning your sentence, right? Then you should make sure that you include your claim, okay? And then you need to have your 3 supporting points. This is exactly how your sentence should be written, exactly how your thesis statement should be written, okay? So just a few things to keep in mind. You have to have a strong thesis statement, like I said, okay? You have to have a strong research topic, an arguable topic. So remember, make sure that you have a good arguable topic for your essay. You need strong, well-developed points to help you make your best argument. These are your reasons, these are your evidence, okay? So you want to make sure that you have credible information from credible sources, okay? We'll talk more about that in our video on the databases that we will use for this assignment. And you can also, with the strong thesis statement, the beauty of it is you can use the very same formula for writing your topic sentences. Now, of course, a topic sentence typically comes at the beginning of a paragraph when you're going to be talking about a specific thing. And so, for example, for our thesis statement highlighted in blue there is alternative medicine is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer because alternative medicine works faster, is less painful, and has less side effects. Then we can pull from that thesis statement to write every single topic sentence that we need. So again, we could say alternative medicine is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer because alternative medicine works faster. Okay? That's one topic sentence. Then we can take the next 2 or 3 paragraphs to explain that, to make that argument. And then when we're ready to move to the next point, we could say alternative medicine is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer because alternative medicine is less painful. Okay? So we can then begin to talk about that. The same thing with the third point. Alternative medicine is better than traditional medicine for treating cancer because alternative medicine has less side effects. And so we can pull from our thesis statement to write every single topic sentence that we need that will introduce us into talking about that specific point that we're trying to make in our essay. Okay? So I'm looking for those things in your essay. If you have questions, please let me know.